Now, kung hindi niya nararamdaman yung masculine energy mo, mapipwersa siya to be in her masculine. Kung nasa masculine siya, she now feels like she needs to lead you. At sa panahon ngayon, kahit nung sinaunang panahon pa, women don't want to lead. They are just forced to be in their masculine. Kaya maraming independent women kuno ngayon kasi they can't find a man who is masculine enough to lead them. Because in reality, they are craving for a man that she feels safe around para makarelax siya into her feminine. Ayaw nilang mag-isip because women in default are emotional creatures and men are the logical ones. Women just want to feel, to relax, to have fun. At magagawa lang nila yon if they trust someone to be their masculine container. So himayin pa natin to ng mas maigi. Wala siyang pake kung saan man kayo magpunta. She doesn't care kung ano man ang kainin nyo, and she doesn't even care kung coffee date lang yan sa 7-Eleven. What she cares about is how you lead her into the experience, how confident and grounded you are in your energy, and if she feels like a feminine woman in your presence.